Like a thunderstorm on a summer day, she came out of nowhere, and I can say she's a supernova shining through the night, a never sleeping satellite. She's a damn good reason for the sun to rise when you see her smile in the morning light. And when she cries a wishing well. Plays hide and seek with the hounds of hell. She throws you down to take you high into her private sky. She's so beautiful, 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 magical, mystical, irresistible, cosmical, a wonderful overkill, and most of all beautiful. She's so beautiful.
Hello guys! So, I just want to welcome you all sa birthday ko. Oh my God! Malam-malam na ko. 18 na gito yan. Pero hindi, bata pa. Mukha ano man, mukha... dumadumduman mo man naka kulubaan mo. Siyempre, mapiso ka na bala mo, hindi ka na makulbaan. Pero, mukha ano, lang kayo siyempre, kung 18 ka na hambal nila. Responsible, pero matyagan ko kung ako, 18 ako. Ako maging responsible ko, hindi ko. Joke lang. So, pagkakilala niyo sa ako, siyempre bata-bata ako, pero promise, i-try ko get self ko maging isa ka responsable nga. Ngayon, saka dalagan ako nung siyempre results.
She's so beautiful. She's a mermaid who's left her fairy tale. She wrote the brand new song for the nightingale. Sometimes I think she's invented, but thank God she's made of flesh and blood. She's everything I've ever missed and more, but most of all she is beautiful, 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 wonderful, powerful, magical, mystical, irresistible, overkill, and most of all beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so
So, before I reach this age, so as a human, dumudamo mga struggles, like experiences nga na agad yung family ko. Pero na-overcome ko ni tanan, it's because of my family. I just want to say thank you sa family ko, sa friends ko, especially kay Mama, tsaka kay Tito Marcos, thank you very much. Because sa inyo na natagaan ng, or should I say, naging mahapos na lang ang pagpangabuhi sa kalusugan. Especially pag sa mga friends ko, thank you very much. Okay, so, tanay mag-enjoy ka mo sa dibuko, kung makita ako ka mo nga nalipay, syempre, ako nalipay naman.